Direct replacement. This power window motor is built to match the original lift motor on specific vehicles. Cost-effective solution. Comparable quality for lower cost than buying replacement at the dealership. Seamless installation. Manufactured to fit directly into existing wiring systems. Trustworthy value. Backed by team of engineers and quality control experts in the United States. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. 100% new units. Fits both driver and passenger side. Direct fit wiring harness, no wire splicing necessary. Quality tested for durability and performance. Window motor worn out? This power window lift motor is precision engineered to match the fit and performance of the original motor in specific vehicle years, makes and models for a reliable replacement. Top reviews from the United States. Take your time. Remember, there are no threads in mounting holes. The screw makes the threads, so thread them first. Screw them all the way down, then back them out. Do all three. Trust me, do that first. Be sure and mount it the way old one was. Pay attention.